The first power user feature I recommend you explore is the library. It gives you access to thousands of resources like slides, icons, flags, pictures, logos, charts, maps, and more. Let's start with slides. Instead of wasting hours designing slides from a blank page, I can browse almost 1,000 templates here. Whenever there is a slide I like, I can click to insert it in my presentation. I can filter these slides based on the number of elements I need. If I want to present 4 ideas, I can use the categories to see only slides with 4 objects, making it super easy to find the best slide to present my 4 messages. Note that the library can be customized to your company's visual identity. Make sure you contact Power User if you need this set up. To customize the library with your own slides, just right-click some slides and hit Save in Library, and it will become available under My Templates here. This is great to avoid looking for slides in old presentations. Even better, admins can save slides for your entire organization, ensuring all team members have direct access to the same version of all the key slides. For instance, you can have CVs, case studies, proposal slides, or your company presentation directly available in your Power User library, improving reusability, collaboration, and version consistency. Now, the slides can be inserted keeping source formatting, meaning keeping the original colors. But we can also insert with the destination theme so that they automatically adjust to the colors of my current presentation, which is great if you work for a client and need to prepare slides with their colors. To switch between source formatting and destination theme, click this button here on the right.